You're the cream in my coffee.
So I'm going to make a latte with without a latte machine. Well, I will be using one of my kitchen appliances though. So make yourself some very strong coffee, decaf or regular, and put in as much as you want for the color that you like. Since I only use a little bit of coffee, here's another trick is I take the coffee after I've made it, I pour it into ice cube trays, and then for the next several days or whatever till I've run out, I'll use 3 ice cubes of coffee in my milk so I can always have it fresh. So then what I'm going to do is put it in the microwave until it's quite hot. Depending upon the size of your cup and your microwave, you'll have to determine the time. For me, it's about 3.5 minutes when I'm using frozen ice cubes. And my secret is going to be my Vitamix. So I'm going to take my hot coffee milk, pour it into the container, put on the lid nice and tight, turn it on, make sure that it's on very low before I start turning it up. Actually knew how long I let it run. I just let it go till I thought it was enough. But while making this movie, I just timed the clip and it turned out it was 34 seconds. So about a half a minute. So not only does it get a nice foamy head on it, but it also makes the body of it incredibly creamy. So it's a thick, kind of creamy latte, and that's even without the foamy head. You don't want to miss any of that foamy goodness. And just take a spoon . And then for a little extra special decadence, you can put some of the coarse sugar crystals on top. Or you could add some chocolate or whatever type, cinnamon sugar, whatever it is that you like to put on top. So there's my creamy latte. Cheers. So you can see I've just finished filling up my ice cube tray. This will go in the freezer, and then for tomorrow I can have fresh coffee. I just use 3 of the cubes. That's the darkness I like it. I'm sure that if you like it darker, put in more. Or instead of ice cube trays, if you happen to have small cups or espresso cups, you might pour it into there to freeze and then pop them into the plastic bags. So the other thing I love about this system is the cleanup, because it's a matter of rinsing out the container, a drop or 2 of soap, clean out the lid, a drop or 2 of soap, and we're done. Time to enjoy the latte. So if you ever need another justification to buy a Vitamix, this is it. Sure, the smoothies are delicious and the soups, but my daily latte, P.S. I don't sell Vitamix, I just use it. And maybe even another brand of blender would work. I just love my Vitamix.
You're the cream in my coffee. You're the salt in my stew.